Hi guys, it's Bella. I don't wear my face or anything. I just woke up a couple hours ago, and I'm gonna be doing a slime part 2 because I made a couple new slimes. Some of them I still have from part 1. I never named it part 1, but from my other slime tutorial or like slime thingy. So yeah, let's get started. So this one, it was really sticky. I just made this one, and it is still a little tidy. Right, like activating. Sorry guys. And it is pretty good. It pokes, stretches. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's not really the best at like popping or like squeezing, you know. So yeah, and then there's some paints I use. And that's kind of foggy, but that's okay. See, like it's not really that good, but we are good. All right, so that's the first slime. All right, and then as you can tell from the last video, this was not even like filled up. Sorry guys, you guys fell. So yeah, so here is a couple new slimes. I just made this one actually yesterday, and it if you make it with Tide, and it gets kind of hard, you just have to add water. I'll post another YouTube video after this. So yeah, it's like really jiggly. I love this slime. Sorry, it's like really loudly. You guys just like, yeah, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, this is actually orange. It's not the color, it's just that the mirror is like foggy. So yeah, it stretches. Well, kind of. Here, I'm gonna move you guys and not put you guys right there because you guys are just gonna keep falling, keep falling. You guys like right there. Oh, that's actually good. Okay. So yeah, so here's this slime. So yeah, it's really good at popping too. Popping like this. And then here's the next slime, which is a pink one. It's kind of like the yellow one, but the yellow one, or like the orange one, kind of stretches a little bit more. And this one's kind of hard to poke, but it's really glossy. So the other one. Yeah, there's that slime. So yeah, they're kind of alike. And then we have this slime. I'm not really going to show them poking because the camera's at 17%. So I'm kind of like in a rush. And then here's this slime. The foam beady slime, the big slime, I just took some apart without any foam beads. Well, there's like 2 or 3 foam beads in here. But yeah. Alright, I'm going to have to show you guys this one because it is super glossy. And I just don't want to take that one out because it's sticky at the bottom. Okay, here, I'm going to stand up. Sort of sit on like a chair kind of thing. Alright, so here is this one. It's really stretchy. And I actually mixed 2 small slimes into this one. So, yeah. So, yeah. And then the next slime. I actually made this one like after the other slime video, after that day. So, like, I should have just made it. And then that. I will show you a slime tutorial, but I have no more glue. So this one's kind of hard. I don't really like it. But you know, it's okay. Alright, and then here's this one. I don't know if I showed you guys this one in this slime part movie. Alright, and then here's this slime. This slime is glossy at the back, and it's like that in the front. So, I mean, it's okay. Kind of stretches, then it like rips. So, I don't know, and then it's like all gooey when you try to get it back together. So, I don't know. Alright, and then here's the other part of the other one. It's really good. All the glitters at the bottom. So pretty. It's really glossy. Stretches good. So, yeah. Alright, and then there's this slime. So, yeah, there's that slime. And then, there's this slime. I think I showed this one. It's still sticky. Just gonna let it droop. It's good. Just don't wanna get my hands so sticky. Alright, and so there's that slime. Well, half that slime. So the one, that slime that was in the cold where they had so much foam beads, well, I didn't really like how it had a lot of foam beads. So I only kept about like 10 foam beads in here, maybe 15. I don't know. I didn't count how much foam beads, but there's only some left. There was like 100. But yeah. I took some of them out because you couldn't really play with this slime because it was all just foam beads. So you know how like the foam beads go all the way to the top? I just like took a giant handful of the foam beads, make sure there was not a lot of slime in them, and then yeah, it only took me like 30 minutes to do it. Alright, and then this is the last slime. I know the other slime tutorial was a lot slower, but the camera's at 7%, so gotta kind of hurry up. This one I wanted to do the same with it and take some of it out, but you know, it's okay. Bye. And so yeah, there's this one, and then that's it. So yeah, bye guys, hope you enjoyed. Bye.